Hello everybody, the Amiga guy here. So I've sold the 6-month project 500 with the switcher on it, a Gotek drive. I'm selling it with a sampler and the MIDI interface and the Casio keyboard. It's a package deal. So it's going in 2 days time. So what I'm going to do over the next 2 days is try and back all these discs up. The first one is SoundQuest, or it's also called MIDI Quest. So I'm going to scan the manual and upload it in case somebody needs to use it. Oh look, a warranty card for version MQV107. Send it to Eglinton Ave, Canada. Oh, I might send that away. Yeah, so job number 1. So back up SoundQuest, and Xcopy didn't work. This has got me stumped. I assumed you'd stick Xcopy on the Gotek and just simply copy these from a physical disk drive to a blank ADF file on the Gotek. It's not working. Xcopy doesn't recognize more than just one drive on the Gotek. So it's a bit weird, And the other thing I've got to do today is back up this MM Experience software. I've no idea. Oh, it's Optonica. So they're like the dudes that made the dragon things. Yeah. MM Experience is a Amiga-based authoring system developed solely to produce professional-looking, information-based multimedia projects and industrial applications. No programming is required to produce a project with MM Experience. Our desktop publishing style environment allows that. That's probably a 1200 only machine. Oh, okay. Any Amiga with 4 megabytes of memory. Megabytes. Good God. I don't have one. But it's not about that. It's not about running it. It's about ADFing the disks. Optimum A4000 with 8 meg of RAM and 1 gigabyte hard disk required. So that's for a supercomputer. The funny part is that the manual itself, the text is completely faded and there's no way to scan that. I found one page out of the whole manual that the text actually hasn't faded. Disc 50, backgrounds, dogs, ducks, low res mail. So that must be samples. Okay, so I'll scan what I can from this and upload it. Job number two is try and back up these 2 discs, 1995 Amiga version 1.0 of MM Experience. Security coded disc. Wow, I hope I can back it up somehow. And the third job for today, bit of fun, is my Christmas Lemmings disc. I've downloaded Holiday Lemmings 93 and 94, but why is my disc say Christmas Lemmings? I just want to know if it's the same game, and this disc is faulty. So the last thing I want to do today is at least capture some gaming footage from this disc. I'm going to use DiskCell and Susan Utils to try and get the disc working. It's stuffed anyway. If it doesn't, I'll just keep the disc as a display item of no practical use, whatever. So let's start backing up floppy disks. What a lot of fun today. Okay, so the old school Susan Utils disc, Marauder. Let's do M experience first. So source DFO, DFO. Does it mean a real DFO? No. Ready to start copy. Doesn't sound like the disk drive's working. No. Drive not connected. Drive not connected. Oh god, this is going to be impossible. This is going through a bloomin' 1080p HDMI switcher. Oh god, it's a horrible picture. Right, let's see if this works. Copy DFO to DFO. Start. No, hang on. You want to stick in your MIDI quest. And it'll probably ask for a workbench. Oh, it's making a noise. Ready to start copy. Continue. Original disk. Okay. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god. At least I can back it up to a disk that I can use in the future when I have my personal. When I get a 1200. Come on, you're selling all of this stuff for a 1200. Yeah. Why not? I know Raspberry Pi, but I want target disk. Okay, that's Jurassic Park. There was a text file on here which I couldn't read, so I formatted the crap out of it. 1, 2. We're only doing sound quests, so all I have to do is find 5 blanks that can be formatted. So all these Millennium 2 documents, duplicate ProWrite, and Rob's Hot Stash number 5 are all bin material. They are all stuffed. So I'm not, yeah, I don't know. I mean, these are all ADFs, so if I have to use these as blanks, then I will. Insert the original disc. Okay. Continue. Player 1 is something. Or, I mean, here's a foreign idea. Might be a bit out there in the extreme. Why don't I open up a box of PC discs and try and format them? Target acquired. Hasta la vista, baby. Copy finished. I've actually backed up a disc. Couldn't do it months ago. Right, continue. So we're doing what? Analytical, whatever that means. We're doing Sound Quest Disc 2. Right. DFO to DFO, isn't it? Yeah. Correct. Start! Don't you just love that crunching sound? Continue! Continue! Right, protect. Oh, okay. At least it won't wipe the disc itself by accident. I've never done that. whatever. So where's your sound quest? That's going out in the box. What happens if I stick that in and go DFO to DF1? Ready? Okay. Maybe it'll copy it. I think it's copying it to the Gotek. It is! Oh my god! Marauder, you saved me! Oh, oh no. So cool. Oh my god. So all I have to do is restore Susan Utils every time I copy a disk. So a convoluted, whatever the word is, way of doing it, but come on. I've been trying to get these disks sorted for months. I tried to plug it into the serial on this old PC with Amiga Forever, didn't work. Now you want to keep everything. I know. I'm going to rebuild. I'm going to buy my own. Yeah. Why don't you... Yeah, I don't know. I haven't decided. It's hard when you've got products to sell, but you want to keep them. The bloody thing worked. It's still called Susan Utils, but the SoundQuest files are now on the Discord, Hatashi, whatever. Oh my god, I can't believe this worked. I have spent ages trying to come up with a way to do this. M-A-R-A-U-D-E-R. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh god. Thank you, Marauder. Thank you, Susan. If that's your real name. Right. DFO to DF1. We are done. Yeah, start copy. Yep. Why not? Go for it. Oh, I can't believe I did this. Wow. Getting back on my feet, I've got a lot of computers to fix up. I've got a Toshiba laptop that just needs putting the battery back in. Yeah, everything's been on hold because, yeah, for reasons. And I got a Wii. I scored this. I scored this for 20 bucks. So I'm selling my Wii. Never selling the Wii U. Selling my Wii with the GameCube controller and 2 GameCube games and Wii games. And the Wii Fitness. The hell are they? Barbells. So, yep. Once New Year's is over, that's it. I'm going to start back into everything. I got really depressed and couldn't come into this room. So now I'm in this room. And we are done. We just need to put Susan Utils back on the USB stick. Okay, cool. Now I'm on a roll. So because I've found a way of doing it, I'm going to back up all my a bit on the side floppies. Disk number Amiga 18 1532 226 690 186 and 9373, and then I'll be able to finally find out what's on them. M Experience Disk 1. Continue. No brain file found. No brain file found. What the hell does that even mean? Are you sure you want to do it? No, I want these discs to go into oblivion and never be saved from the gates of oblivion. Thank you, please, kind sir. What's that? Everything's going to come crashing down on you. Oh, okay. Video grabber. Oh, another disc to back up. Okay, okay, lucky I did that, eh? What do we got here? Video frame grabber. Video Amiga PAL. Okay. Looks like a mouse. I bought it, but I've never looked at it before. It's got like a mouse thing on one end. Oh my god. Video Amiga real-time frame grabber. That ain't gonna work on a 600 or a 500, but it's going with the 600 as a package deal. Are we done? Finish copying. Now I'm getting confused. Getting very confused. Huh? I don't know what that said. MM Experience Disc 2. What the hell's wrong with the mouse? No brain food. I don't care about brain file. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. Thank you. Oh my god, I can't believe this is working. Every other disc has been backed up. Oh, except for... Why aren't any of these on Tosec or anywhere? Amiga User International covered this. I'll do those. Stack more a bit on the sides. Amiga User International Disc 7. Nowhere to be found. Parasol XCAD. That's not one of mine. It came with a junk pile of floppies that I bought. What is that? Gigantic footy game. Okay. Super Disc 55. And I think that's everything. Put it there. Stereo Master. Amiga Computing, okay. Goblins. That's not one of mine. And that's not one of mine. Challenge Golf. Alright. Well, let's just see if Holiday Lemmings even boots. It's doing something. Yeah, it says Holiday Lemmings anyway, so it probably just is. Oh my god, I might be able to salvage the disc. Just a quick update, Lemmings didn't work. Its disc is buggered. I figured out you don't have to switch the computer off. You just take the stick out, put Susan Utils back on the stick, plug it in, and it's ready to copy the next disc. So it's all super speeded up. Thanks for watching. I shall ADF all of these. What fun. Well, what fun it is to ride. It's New Year's Eve. What are you doing working on New Year's Eve? I don't know.